friends, welcome back to my channel Law Students Corner. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം 3 LLB എൻട്രൻസ് എക്സാമിന് ചോദിച്ച ലീഗൽ ആപ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് തുടർന്ന് കാണാം. ഈ വീഡിയോയുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിന്റെ ലിങ്ക് ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നോക്കാം.
Question number 41. Hurt has been defined as bodily pain, disease or infirmity to any person under section option A section 319 of IPC, option B section 320 of IPC, option C section 323 of IPC, option D section 325 of IPC. Correct answer is option A section 319 of IPC. Question number 42. Grievous hurt has been defined under option A section 320 of IPC, option B section 321 of IPC, option C section 322 of IPC, option D section 325 of IPC. Correct answer is option A section 320 of IPC. Question number 43. Which of the following are grievous hurt? Option A emasculation, option B permanent disfiguration of face, option C privation of any member or joint, option D all the above. Correct answer is option D all the above. Question number 44. Wrongful restraint has been defined under option A section 339 of IPC, option B section 340 of IPC, option C section 341 of IPC, option D section 342 of IPC. Correct answer is option A section 339 of IPC. Question number 45. Wrongful confinement has been defined under option A section 342 of IPC, option B section 341 of IPC, option C section 340 of IPC, option D section 339 of IPC. Correct answer is option C section 340 of IPC. Question number 46. Assault in order to outrage the modesty of a woman is punishable. Option A under section 363 of IPC, option B under section 354 of IPC, option C under section 509 of IPC, option D under section 511 of IPC. Correct answer is option B under section 354 of IPC. Question number 47. Kidnapping from lawful guardianship under section 361 of IPC can be option A of a person under 16 years of age if male, option B of a person under 18 years of age if female, option C of a person of unsound mind, option D all the above. Correct answer is option D all the above. Question number 48. The subject matter of theft. Option A can be movable property, option B can be immovable property, option C both A and B, option D either A or B. Correct answer is option A can be movable property. Question number 49. The involvement of 5 or more persons is essential for option A theft, option B extortion, option C robbery, option D dacoity. Correct answer is option D dacoity. Question number 50. An act which is not done graciously is option A contumacy, option B rescission, option C injunction, option D novation. Correct answer is option A contumacy. Question number 51. Finder of lost goods is same as option A bailey, option B offeree, option C pony, Option D, none. Correct answer is option A, Bailey. Question number 52. Contingent contract must relate to dash event. Option A, present. Option B, past. Option C, future. Option D, none. Correct answer is option C, future. Question number 53. Death of parties will discharge the contract. Option A, true. Option B, false. Option C, partial. Option D, none. Correct answer is option A, true. Question number 54. A contract under a mistake of fact is option A, void. Option B, voidable. Option C, valid. Option D, illegal. Correct answer is option B, voidable. Question number 55. Ultra wires. Option A, inside the power. Option B, with the power. Option C, outside the power. Option D, to the power. Correct answer is option C, outside the power. Question number 56. Uberima fight. Option A, of good faith. Option B, of bad faith. Option C, of utmost good faith. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, of utmost good faith. Question number 57. Res judicata. Option A, case to be decided. Option B, case already decided. Option C, case not to be decided. Option D, case posted for hearing. Correct answer is option C, case not to be decided. Question number 58. Repugnant. Option A, inconsistent. Option B, consistent. Option C, of little use. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, inconsistent. Question number 59. Locus standi. Option A, right to be heard in a case. Option B, right to seek remedy from court. Option C, right to put the case in front of the court. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 60. Per curiam. Option A, by the court. Option B, by the judge. Option C, by the advocate. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, by the court. Question number 61. Acto personalis morita cum persona. Option A personal right does not die with person. Option B, a personal right of action dies with the person. Option C, a personal right does not exist. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option B, a personal right of action dies with the person. Question number 62. Ignorantia juris non excusat. Option A, ignorance of law is no excuse. Option B, ignorance of law is excused. Option C, ignorance of fact is not excused. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, ignorance of law is no excuse. Question number 63. Austin divides jurisprudence into dash. Option A, analytical jurisprudence and normative jurisprudence. Option B, general jurisprudence and particular jurisprudence. Option C, both A and B. Option D, expositional jurisprudence and unsocial jurisprudence. Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 64. Dash is the nature of any particular system of law reflecting the spirit of the people. Option A, Keatson's pure theory. Option B, Austin's command theory. Option C, Savigny's-Volk's theory. Option D, Bentham's ideal code. Correct answer is Savigny's-Volk's theory. Question number 65. Jurisprudence is impossible unless it is preceded by comparative law. This was the observation of option A, Montesquieu. Option B. Henry Maine. Option C. Kohler. Option D. Holland. Correct answer is option D. Holland. Question number 66. Which one is the modern source of law? Option A. Custom. Option B. Precedent. Option C. Legislation. Option D. B and C. Correct answer is option C. Legislation. Question number 67. Find out the odd one out. Option A. Statute. Option B. Bylaw. Option C. Rules. Option D. Regulations and notifications. Correct answer is option A. Statute. Question number 68. Professor Gray is a popular dash jurist. Option A. English. Option B. French. Option C. Roman. Option D. American. Correct answer is option A. English. Question number 69. Which of the following statement is not correct? Option A. Stare decisis means to stand by precedent and not to disturb the settled point of law. Option B. Ratio decidendi means the reason for deciding a case. Option C. Every judgment must be supported by ratio decidendi and obiter dicta. Option D. A precedent may be original, declaratory, authoritative, or persuasive in nature. Correct answer is option C. Every judgment must be supported by ratio decidendi and obiter dicta. Question number 70. Wamba's theory is related to dash. Option A. Supreme legislation. Option B. Subordinate legislation. Option C. Precedence. Option D. Custom. Correct answer is option C. Precedence. Question number 71. The doctrine of prospective overruling was applied by the Supreme Court in dash. Option A. Shankari Prasad vs. Union of India. Option B. Sajjan Singh vs. State of Rajasthan. Option C. Golaknath vs. State of Punjab. Option D. Bengal Immunity Corporation Limited vs. State of Bihar. Correct answer is option C. Golaknath vs. State of Punjab. Question number 72. Via tuta means option A. Usage is an acceptable custom. Option B. A custom must be reasonable. Option C. Immemorial antiquity. Option D. Frequented path is reliable path. Correct answer is option D. Frequented path is reliable path. Question number 73. The life of the law has not been logic. It has been experience. The law embodies the story of a nation's development through many centuries, and it cannot be dealt with as if it contained only the axioms and corollaries of a book of mathematics. These are the words of option A. Oliver Wendell Holmes. Option B. John Austin. Option C. Bentham. Option D. Holland. Correct answer is option A. Oliver Wendell Holmes. Question number 74. Folcke's theory was propounded by option A. Montesquieu. Option B. Savigny. Option C. Roscommon. Option D. Henry Maine. Correct answer is option B. Savigny. Question number 75. Oliver Wendell Holmes was a dash jurist. Option A. English. Option B. Roman. Option C. French. Option D. American. Correct answer is option D. American. Question number 76. Dash defines a legal right as an interest recognized and protected by a rule of justice. Option A. Gray. Option B. Salmond. Option C. Austin. Option D. Roscommon. Correct answer is option B. Salmond. Question number 77. Hochfeld's analysis is related to dash. Option A. Various kinds of ownerships. Option B. Various kinds of persons. Option C. Various kinds of rights. Option D. Various kinds of titles. Correct answer is option C. Various kinds of rights. Question number 78. Austin's book, The Province of Jurisprudence Determined, is dash. Option A. His autobiography. Option B. His lecture delivered at University of London. Option C. His answer to an essay by Gray. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option B. His lecture delivered at University of London. Question number 79. Legal principle. 1. The state shall not discriminate any citizen on grounds of religion, race, caste. 2. Nobody except the central government can make laws. Factual situation. The central government enacted a law thereby introducing reservation for a particular for this backward caste. A person not belonging to this backward caste filed a suit against the validity of the legislature. Option A. He will succeed since the law is discriminatory and unreasonable in nature. Option B. He will not succeed since the law is not discriminatory in nature. Option C. He will succeed since law has favored a particular caste which it cannot do. Option D. He will not succeed since the central government has the authority to make laws. Correct answer is option A. He will succeed since the law is discriminatory and unreasonable in nature. Question number 80. Legal principle. A. Preparation to commit an offense is not an offense. B. After one has finished preparation to commit an offense, any act done towards committing the offense with the offense which is by itself an offense. Factual situation. A wants to kill B. He buys a gun and cartridges for committing the murder. He then set out and takes aim and pulls the trigger. The gun did not fire. Option A. A is guilty of attempt to murder from the time he set out in search of B. Option B. A is guilty of attempt from the moment he loads his gun. Option C. A is guilty of attempt from the moment he takes aim at B. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. A is guilty of attempt from the moment he takes aim at B. Question number 81. Legal principle. An employer is liable for the act of his servant performed during the course of employment. Factual situation. While working as a driver for Verma, Alok sometimes used to earn some side income by knowledge or permissions. While going to pick Verma from the airport one day, Alok stopped to deliver a parcel, which unknown to him was one of the contraband goods. The police arrested Alok. Option A. Verma is liable for the act of Alok since he is Verma's driver. Option B. Verma is liable for the act of Alok since he had gone to pick Verma from the airport. Option C. Verma is liable for the act of Alok since Alok himself did not know that he was carrying contraband goods. Option D. Verma is not liable for the act of Alok since carrying the parcel was not in the course of his employment. Correct answer is option D. Verma is not liable for the act of Alok since carrying the parcel was not in the course of his employment.